I can just.
Strike.
Oh, nice hit.
Do me a favor and hold this real quick.
Yeah.
Just before you go.
Sure.
It's not long enough. We're 4 and 3.
Who else have they played? They played you guys?
So,
Yeah. Outside. Or inside.
yep.
Curved like twice. Good twice. Nice play.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Get started. Oh.
Strike 3. Strike 3.
Go, Ghostrunners.
Got him. How about that?
You don't have to try the other people, just let me.
Second base, second base.
That's a walk.
Alright, George.
Two down. Ooh, good cut. That's 3.
Back here?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh.
Whoa! Come on, Cole!
You want to reset screen now?
Alright, way to stay with it.
Strike 3.
That's a walk.
Get out.
Oh boy. You got it, Dave.
Oh, God. My bad. Second base, second base. Oh, my bad, my bad.
Hold you.
Home, home,
I got it.
home, look home, look home.
Oh, God. You're right to Jordy. Where is that?
Oh, that's a long way. Need a couple more batters.
Get there. All right.
Second base, second base.
Got it.
Got it.
Weiner into center field. Schroeder rounds third. He's heading home. Matthew is going to third. And everyone's going to be safe. Got him. On the ground to short. Ethan picks it up. No throw. Everyone will be safe. Swung on. Into the first base territory. Tegan will make the catch. And everyone's going to stay right where they are. 2 down. Got her on the outside corner. That's the end of the inning. Inside it hits her. That is a walk. The payoff. Got him. Strike 3. And that'll be a walk issued. And he got him. Strike 3. Swung on. Hit right to Schroeder. And that is it. First inning, Tegan on the mound once again facing Jordan Schroeder, and the first pitch is lined into right center field, and it is quickly 1-0 Ghostrunners. Swung on, hit in the air to left center field. Everyone's going to sit back and watch that one fly. Back-to-back home runs from the Ghostrunners, and it's 2-0. Oh my. Oh jeez. On the ground to first, picked up by Dakota. He will go to first, and Tegan has dropped the ball. Carlos comes in to score, and he got, no, never mind, he threw him out at home. Got her. Well, then that'll be 3-1, 4-1. Here's Greg now, on the ground, back to the mound, and Eric has trouble with. That's the 5th run that's scored, and the inning is over. Got him. Now it's a walk. Got him. And that'll be a walk, and the bases are, I don't have a good phrase. Just outside, and that'll walk in a run. Outside, and Eric has an RBI to his credit. Just over the zone, that'll walk in another run. And he managed to get a piece of it. That's a fair ball, and that's going to be an out. Are you kidding me? And that's way upstairs, ball 5. Up to the second base side, they're gonna get Kamel at second, and that's one gone. Now with a runner at first. Swinging away, there's a liner right to Rinky, and it gets under his legs, and everyone's gonna be safe. Got her. 2 down now. On the ground to short, picked up by Robinson. She will have no throw to anywhere, and everyone will be safe. A run comes across to score. And that'll walk in another run. Just outside. On the ground to second, picked up by Ethan, and it gets under his legs. What a classic Bill Buckner play that is. One run comes across to score, that'll be 4. Is really speed running his pitching start here. As it swung on, hit in the air to center field, forget about it. A grand slam home run for Breon, but sadly only one of the runs is gonna count. Nice fastball. On the ground, back to the mound. Schroeder picks up and he bobbles it. Robinson will be safe. And he got him. Came back from a 4-0 count and he strikes out Ethan. 0-1. 0-2. Got him. There. Right down. 1-2 pitch. Right down Main Street. That's the end of the inning.